Hey everybody, I'm Ricky with Apple Valley Farm, and today we are making a simple fall project, probably one that you've seen before, but something that's one of those perennial autumn decor pieces. It never really goes out of style, and that is a rustic pumpkin. So with some reclaimed pallet wood, we're gonna make a little fall magic here, and you're gonna be amazed at how easy it is. Let's get started. Let's start out by sketching out a pumpkin. I'm just gonna make a rough gesture circle here. Bring the sides around, the top in, making a place up there for the stem to be, and that's it. I mean, it's really a pretty simple design. Then I'm going to take the box cutter, cut this thing out. By the way, if you're not comfortable making this yourself or like coming up with your own sketch, I will leave a template for this in the notes, so you can just download the PDF if you want. But we'll cut this thing out, and then we're ready to go. We're going to use this over and over again. As you'll see, this thing is about 14 inches tall, so we're going to have our boards be at least 14 inches. We need about 4 of them. And then we're going to put some cross pieces on here that will be on the back to hold these in place. Now we'll put this flush with the bottom, and I like to glue it and tack it in place. Do that with the other one just a little ways up. And then we want to go in with some 3/4 inch screws just to secure everything up, because this stuff is going to want to work loose. So the screws just make sure it doesn't go anywhere. As you can see, now we've got the pumpkin on here. We want to trace that onto our panel, and now look at that. Now we're ready to start cutting it out. Now I can do this with the jigsaw, which I am here. If you got a bandsaw, that would be great. You can do that too. Cut it out, sand it very, very well with this reclaimed wood, because it's going to want to get splintery real fast. Take a 2x4, cut about a 6-inch piece, and we're going to put this with some 2-inch wood screws. We're going to do the put this on the back so this thing will stand up freely. Look at that. Very nice. Now with the chop saw, I'm just going to take a twig. I'm going to cut it about 6 inches long. Please don't do this other step here where I cut this notch on there. That's going to be the stem. You could do this with the bandsaw, which is something I would suggest. Take this, glue it in place, and then we'll put some wood screws in it. Now look at that. Oh, it looks beautiful. And once we're done and we get the ribbon and all that stuff on there, look at it. It looks fantastic. I'm really proud of this. I think it really turned out nice. We've got $0 in it other than the cost of the screws, and it was really easy. Hey, if you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Please join us. We do things like this all the time. We would love to have you, and if you want plans for this, I will leave a link to that in the notes so you can get them. Again, thank you for being here. Have a great day.